This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp. Are you looking for an IT bootcamp? In your journey with TS4U, you will get workshops and tasks every week, hands-on practice, technical tests and tasks, show and tell, mock interview. And we get paid fully only when you get a job. You can get affordable student loan. Become eligible for free tuition. We offer industry-demanding IT boot camps. Join now and start your IT engineering journey today with TS4U.
Actually, I think that I need to ask a follow-up question. Thank you for answering the details. Now, how I want to use this variable to my the request of the collection. Can you please walk us through that?
Okay, it's a very good question. So, as I mentioned earlier, that first of all, we have to make sure that we select the environment. Okay, so after selecting the environment, then what I do, let's say I just want to update that brand. So I just go to with that request. Then what I do, in the URL, we have to pass the ID. Okay, so just remove that ID information from there, then put the double curly braces, and inside the double curly braces need to exact the variable name, the whatever I have inside the environment. If I do any mistake here, it will not be recognized. So I have to give the exactly the same information there. And if I mention also, like in the test section, what I do to get the environment, so I do actually like create a variable there. Okay, give the name of that variable, then parse the whole response body and store that information inside a variable. Then there is a function is available in the Postman. So just simply call that pm.environment.set. Then in that function, we have to like pass two information. I mean, it's a parameterized function. So need to pass two arguments. Like one is the variable name and another one is the variable key. So variable name is always we have to give the meaningful name, like the brand ID, uh, you also specific the brand name underscore ID, something like this. And then in the variable key, I have to give the exactly like the call the that variable where I have stored the response body, then dot, then call the like the key, exact key. If it is the key is the ID, then I have to give the ID. If it is the like brand underscore ID, something like this, then I have to call it with the dot brand underscore ID. Okay, so when I give this, I write this code, then just send the request, and I can make sure into the quick look that in the environment that is it coming into the variable, is it storing successfully or not. Okay, if I can see there, yes, it's working, then just as I said that I can just call that variable with that curly braces.
Hey, thank you very much. That was very detailed. I think I got my whole answer. Thank you.